Buenos días.
Can't see it down, thank God. Can't see it down, thank God. Walk in.
Bye-bye. Bring it if you want. Come on. He's plugging that thing up. Oh, you can bring it. Bring it with you. Come on. Bring it with you. Come on. Aquí. There you go. Eso, avisa a mí. Gracias. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah.
Baby, come and have a blast with me. Do everything I said.
Yeah.
Do everything I said. Get mad
Hey.
for what they get it be a tragedy.
Jer.
Never know who you'll run into.
How's it going, buddy? Yeah. I have a beer over there. Okay. It's Jerry. Jerry. Jerry's our friend. Yeah, he's gonna want to play with that all day and bark at us. Like, play with me on this small boat. Oh,
Day for everybody.
yeah. I'll dial that in. All right.
That's a nice pole, man.
Yeah, it's a nice pole. That's a good pole. That's the army color pole. That's the army edition. Army edition pole. Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. Me and Mac killed in THC, MAC, DEV, HD3. Hi, it's me, this is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live. So what we get drunk, so what we smoke weed.
Have in this area. I'm not too knowledgeable on both things.
There's Chopper. Alex. Alex. You ready? Go. Play it. Come on.
What did you bring? A little cigar? Yeah. Nice.
Pressing record might help.
I'll hop back there. I'll pull my own beer.
Hey guys,
The bustle.
oh man, I saw you look familiar.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll have 3 hazies and a Pacifica.
You got it, man.
And just
Jerry, I know that guy too. It was great running into you.
Yeah. Say it again.
I know this motherfucker. I recognize him.
Yeah.
He's right there, I think.
Yeah. That's him.
I recognize this guy too.
Yeah, that's me. And that's the homie Kumpa Thomas.
A Budweiser boat?
Yeah, I think it's a RC car or an RC boat, but I think the owner just leaves it there for looks. I don't know. I doubt it works. Maybe it does work. I don't know. Compa Aaron is hiding from the camera.
Thank you.
Okay, gracias. Thank you. Thanks to Jerry.
Thank you. Thank
Jerry.
you. To Jerry.
rack it off. Put it into a bed. Put the 6 gallon jug.
What the hell? It's crazy how you could not really hear it at all until you like put them on.
Ole, you raising me up, dog. What are you doing later tonight?
You.
Oh shit. I think I had too many beers. So do you. Back outside. We got some free beers from the homie Jerry.
Jerry. Shout out Jerry.
Let's get out there to the back, dude. Let's go have some nar fun.
Hey, bro. We go pee pee. I think he's gonna take a shit. You go pee pee, he go take a shit. He's gonna drop a pie.
He's like, hurry up, dock this shit. I'm gonna go pee pee too.
You gonna take a masa?
See, right here is nice. The wind is not hitting.
You got it, Rip? Yeah, I got it. Dot.
They're thinking of we is. Damn, look at this fucking beautiful day. Dang.
Till I meet the sun.
You don't gotta wear it. Oh, dude. It just takes that little extra effort. If you don't want it, I'll use it. You want it? Yeah.
You know what? Oh, fuck. Almost say, give me one.
Here.
Yeah?
I got one.
Okay. I'll just have it straight.
Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Woo! To the lake day.
Fuck no.
The Kraken's out there.
Oh, I don't know. There's all types of shit. The Megalodon is still out
Oh
there.
my gosh.
Hey, buddy. How was the water?
So good. At first it's cold, but once you stay in there, it's nice.
My grapes are like raisins.
Give me that.
Baba!
He just died recently, I'm pretty sure, of old age.
Was it old age?
Yeah.
I think I might have got a cat. I don't know. So fast!
Fuck yeah. I got you. Fuck yeah. I got you.
Baba, look at this.
Fucking big, bro.
Look at that.
Damn, that's a big one right there. No
Hey, let's
diddy.
cruise back to the marina. Yeah, give him a second. We're gonna go. So the plan is we're gonna go back to the marina, back to the docks where we have pliers, because the hooks are deep in his throat and we don't have the pliers to reach down in there. We only have small pliers. So we're gonna do our best to give him water. Drive fast, stop, give him water, And that's the idea, because I don't. We gotta let these guys. These are good breeders. We gotta let these guys get some. I want to keep them alive. We don't want to. We don't want to take these home and eat them. Look with the camera. I'm in neutral.
Slow it down, just
Reverse.
I'm in neutral.
Come on, girl. Oh, this is getting sad. You got it. You got it, Rub. Grab those levers. Leg up. There you go. Keep going. There you go. There you go. There you go.
This guy not athletic at all, or what?
Oh, we forgot to tell you, we got the homie Johnny on the boat now. Say what's up, Johnny. I know, 5 hours later. Come on, Ruben. Oh my lord. Shit. All right. Can you get... I know, he's coming to the power.
Oh my god. What's going on?
Like a fish out of water.
Oh my god.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. The summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night.
You got it though, bud. Good job, Alex.
Life jacket is cold.
All right, he's good.
You'll be alright, no?
I'm good.
Oh, and they can't stop. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the word.
get his ass. He's already shaking in the water. Good job, Johnny! Woo! How'd that feel?
Felt good.
Felt good. All right, Alex is ready. Compa Alex. Yeah, Alpha looks like he's about to jump in, bro.
Jump in there, buddy. I got you.
I got him with the buoy. Alex, how's your fishing?
All right. We better to catch something. Better if I catch something.
Me and Johnny about to go on the tube and just fucking float. But this is the where we're at, man. Come on now. Salvisas. Plus playing with his buoy. Alex is playing with himself. Ruben's peeing in the water. Oh my god, I gotta record this moment. Look at how he's holding the fishing pole. Upside down.
Upside down?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, that's how you hold it. That's a bait caster.
No way.
It's up to your liking, I guess.
But the string is this way.
Yeah. The string's on top with bait casters.
Now this is how you're actually supposed to hold it.
Oh shit. we all got it wrong.
Talking to a pro fisher. Right?
It's whatever Alex says goes. Yeah.
Mexican.
Yeah, he's Mexican.
You're just relaxing. You're just letting them
All right.
get a picture. Yeah.
There you go. Oh shit. I'm gonna join you guys. I'm gonna have the camera in my hand, beer in my other hand, and cigar in my mouth. I'm gonna kick off. All right, let's go have ourselves a little combo over here.
Hold on to me, I'm holding on to him.
Cheers, brothers.
Cheers.
All right, so. Oh yeah. Alex. Cheers. Alex, you gotta join us, bud.
Yeah, just push it off.
How you feel, Johnny? Thanks for coming. You're about to get your ass blasted? What you?
No, dude. Alex. No, Diddy, bro.
Hey, this looks like a cool shot right here. Johnny. I can't swim. I can't swim.
I can't swim. How's my hair look though? Looking ridiculous.
You
find you at the fucking lake.
The construction work?
They're gonna come find you at the lake, brother. Oh, dude, I can't believe I did that shit.
They want you to work with them.
Buddy, how did you not know that was a stop only?
She was sticking for
No, all I know is Ruben can't stay on the fucking tube.
and
Dude, he was stuck up. He couldn't get on for like 10 minutes. We were trying to help this guy. Now look at him.
someone get this man a beer. All right, no more two. Get on the boat.
Where are we going?
We're just chilling.
I can chill on the tube.
No, you're gonna fall. Wish I had a lot of that on camera. You were gassed, huh?
I am so gassed. Like I'm gonna chum the water right now.
Compa,
Cracking.
we're done, right?
Yes, no.
I think we should go to Taco Bell again, man. I don't know, man. Last time that shit hit. Hi, buddy. Tired?
Napping on the boat. Come on, boy. He was napping.
Oh, man. Oh, there's a hole in there, too.
Yes,
Would you like to say goodbye?
Again?
Yeah. Give the honors again. Give the adios. I hate these people.
All right. Peace and love. Get out of here.